Hello everyone, my name is Maggie Perales. I am a volunteer with the Catholic Campaign for Human Development, a parishioner of St. Nicholas of Tollentine Parish, and a community organizer with the Southwest Organizing Project. I want to thank each one of you for allowing me to speak to you today on behalf of the Catholic Campaign for Human Development. The Southwest Organizing Project's mission is to build a broad-based organization of Christian, Muslim, and Jewish faith institutions, local schools, and other institutions on the southwest side of Chicago, which will enable families to exercise common values, determine their own futures, and connect with each other to improve life in the neighborhoods. For 50 years, CCHD has addressed the problem of poverty by attacking its root causes and funding community projects that promote independence as a means of finding an end to poverty. The Catholic Campaign for Human Development works towards social justice by supporting groups like the Southwest Organizing Project to develop leaders to speak and act on their own behalf. It provides not a handout, but a hand up, so low-income people working together can bring change to their community and live in a just society.